Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a black beauty. She's a 70 Nova, 383 under the hood, and you're gonna love checking it out, and I'm gonna love showing it to you. That black paint is slick as can be. Cowl hood, beautiful chrome, all the body lines looking slick. Look down the side of this black beauty. She is straight as an arrow, and you know, if you're gonna paint a car black, you gotta be a good body man. And I'm telling you, this guy was a good body man. I'm telling you, look at those reflections. I mean, it's a perfect picture. Looks like a big black mirror. Man, they did a beautiful job on this car. And look at that interior. All black. She's sinister. Custom dash, custom steering wheel, custom shifter in there. Bench seat, seat belts in the front and in the rear. Looks like there's 3 seat belts in the rear. Package tray looking sweet. Headliner looking sweet. This is the whole package right here, guys. You want to talk hot rod? This baby is a hot rod because looky there, Kragers. That's what everybody had back in the 70s. You gotta have Kragers on a Nova. Check out that trunk. Man, that black paint looking sweet. The chrome on that back bumper looking beautiful. Look inside this trunk. Carpeting in the trunk looking beautiful. Always look at the trunk floor and look at that trunk floor looking great. Wheel wells look good. Back sides of the quarters looking sweet. Bottom side of the deck lid's even painted. Always look at these lips too on the deck lid. Looking good. The gutter system around the deck lid also looking sweet. Now when you look down the side of this black beauty, look at that thing. Straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own every one of our cars. So you can bet we've spent the time to check these babies out before we buy them. And then once we get them here to the shop, we inspect them so you can ask any question you want about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you anything you need to know about this black beauty. Now, if you want any close-up pictures like Tom, I want to see that real close right there, that grill. I want to see up close to that. You just let him know, he'll get you up close pictures of anything you want to see. Now, I've been in the business for about 35 years, and I use all 35 years of those experience to show you everything you need to see every day. So call Tom at 248-974-9513, and Tom will take care of you. Here we go for riding a 70 Nova. Man, does this thing sound good. I'll tell you what, she's sounding mean. She's black, cowl hood, looking good, restored, 1970 Nova. Guys, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. Just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513, and he will explain to you how easy that process is. Call anytime. Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. You give him a call anytime. If he does not answer his call, he will return his call. If you need help with financing, he will hook you up with the finance guy. He will take care of all the paperwork. You don't have to do a thing but make the phone call. As you can see down here on the dash, it's all custom. It's all aftermarket gauges. Those are Pro-Comp Autometer gauges. They are all working. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. We've got a Quicksilver shifter in it, aftermarket steering wheel here, tilt column. The car's amazing, guys. She's a black 70 Nova. Now, we're right outside the Motor City and we are close to the airport. So if you'd like to come check this baby out in person, we would love to have you. Even though about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, we encourage you to come visit, please. If you've got the time and the means, if you can hop on an airplane, we'd love to meet you. If you're out of state, we're real close to the airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. If you'd like to drive in on a Saturday, we are open on Saturdays. And we are about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna take a look at that stroker motor. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Nova now, and it is beautiful under here. You can see the trunk floor looks good. Gas tank looks great. Exhaust system looks like it's new. We've got mono-leaf springs. Got a 10-bolt in it, 373 gear, and it is a 10-bolt. I mean, it is a Posi unit. We do have brand new drums here, and the guys have taken those brakes all apart, checked them all out. Looks like a brand new fuel line and brand new brake lines going front to back. Floorboards look great. Now these are new and they've been welded in and they look great. They did a beautiful job putting them in. You can see the frame ties here. Pinch weld looks good. 700 R4 trans, that's a 4-speed automatic. Jet coated headers. Chrome on the oil pan looking good. Chrome on the torque converter cover looking good. Drilled and slotted rotors on the disc brake setup on the front. Tubular lower control arms, tubular upper control arms. Everything looking good. It looks like Bruce built the motor, or at least Bruce signed the motor. It says 92903 on the motor. We do have a high torque starter on it. Underneath here, everything's looking sweet. Front frame horns are nice and straight. We got BFGs on the tires on brand new Kragers. 215/60/15s on these. Bottom sides of front fenders looking good. That pinch weld in the bottom side of the rocker also looking good. Out back here, I got 255/60/15s, and again, brand new Kragers. Let's get under the hood, see what's making power. All right, under the hood here, we got a stroker motor. It's a 350 stroked out to 383. It's a one-piece rear main seal, so it is a newer block. It's got Edelbrock heads on it, Edelbrock intake on it, Edelbrock carburetor on it. It is a 4-barrel. It's got power steering, power brakes. You can see those tubular upper control arms. Everything under here is nice and neat. You can see it looks like it's got a chromed up fuel pump, chromed up alternator, serpentine belt setup, aluminum radiator, electric fans. Everything under here, nice and clean, nice and neat. HEI distributor, firewall's nicely painted, inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. Bottom side of the hood's chassis black. I mean, they've got black, it's like a crinkle coat here on the valve covers and on the air cleaner. Looking sweet, guys. She's amazing. She's a Nova, all blacked out, got big power under the hood. Just everything's amazing about this car, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.